If you're thinking about using Kartra for your landing pages, there are a few key things you need to know before committing. Stick around as we break down 12 essential points, comparing Kartra to other landing page tools so you can make an informed decision. First, Kartra offers a comprehensive, all-in-one marketing platform. It's a bit like trying to find a tool that does everything: email marketing, landing pages, membership sites, and automation, all bundled into one. While tools like ClickFunnels focus mainly on sales funnels, Kartra goes beyond by offering a broader range of features. This might sound like a great deal, but let's break it down. The second thing is that Kartra has a robust drag-and-drop builder. This is similar to competitors like Leadpages, but Kartra's builder is more flexible, allowing you to design from scratch or use templates. However, it can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners, especially if you're used to simpler tools like Instapage. Next thing, pricing. Kartra offers a tiered subscription model, and while the base plan might seem affordable, when you scale up, it can get quite expensive. This is something you'll need to consider because it's not as cost-effective as some other landing page creators like Wix or WordPress, especially if you only need landing pages and not all of Kartra's features. The fourth thing is the email marketing functionality. Kartra's email automation is solid, but not as advanced as MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. If email marketing is a priority for you, Kartra's basic features may not be enough. You might find other platforms with more powerful segmentation and automation options. Now let's talk about integrations. Kartra integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, but it's not always as seamless as some of the top competitors. You might face challenges when integrating with certain CRMs or email marketing tools that are easier to work with in platforms like Kajabi or GrooveFunnels. The sixth thing is its analytics. Kartra provides detailed analytics, but it may require a bit of a learning curve to fully understand the reports. Tools like Unbounce and OptimizePress offer similar metrics, but they tend to be more user-friendly, which is something to consider if you're short on time. Next up is the customer support. Kartra offers support through tickets, live chat, and a knowledge base. While the support is generally good, it's not as fast or as comprehensive as some competitors like ClickFunnels, which offers more immediate response times. The eighth thing is the learning curve. As an all-in-one platform, Kartra has a steeper learning curve compared to simpler landing page builders like Instapage or Leadpages. If you're just looking for landing pages, you might find these tools easier and quicker to use. The ninth thing to consider is Kartra's templates. They do offer a wide range, but the designs can feel a bit outdated compared to other options like Elementor, which offers modern, fully customizable templates that are a bit more stylish and flexible. Now let's talk about scalability. Kartra is great for businesses that need an all-in-one solution, especially as they grow. However, if you only need a landing page builder with a straightforward pricing model, you might find something like ConvertKit or Thrive Architect a better fit for your needs, especially as you scale down costs. Next, let's dive into mobile optimization. Kartra's landing pages are responsive, but they aren't always as flexible or easy to adjust for mobile as other platforms like Wix or Webflow, which give you more control over how your pages look on smaller devices. The 11th thing is the security features. Kartra has strong security with SSL encryption and two-factor authentication. However, when compared to dedicated website builders like Shopify, it may not offer as much in terms of specialized security tools, particularly for e-commerce. Lastly, Kartra can be a good option for businesses looking for a robust, all-in-one solution. However, if you're only looking for landing pages or need something more specialized, you may want to consider other platforms. Overall, Kartra offers a strong value for an all-in-one marketing tool, but if you want a landing page solution that's simpler, more affordable, and better suited for your needs, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.